In this video, I will show you how to apply to be a Glovo driver. So you can do this from Portugal, Italy, or any other country where Glovo is available. So in order to start doing this, just go to glovoapp.com. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and here under Let's Do It Together, you want to click on the third option that says Couriers. So from here you can then choose your country that you want to become a driver in. So you have Spain, Croatia, Italy, Portugal, and a bunch more. Now for example, if I click Portugal, from here I can then go and enter my details, which vehicle I use, and then I can go and register right there. Now here you want to go and select your city, so you will see all these cities that it is available in right here. For example, I can go with Lisbon, and now I will become a driver in Lisbon with a car, although I can also select a bicycle or a scooter. So that's how you can become a Glovo driver. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.